Hey y'all, I got sent over some No Noise Quiet Clear packing tape by Lebao. Lebao, L-E-B-A-O. Anyhow, this is supposed to be multi-purpose shipping, packaging, boxes, industrial office, refill rolls. Heavy-duty packing tape with 2 inches, quantity 6 rolls, length 100 yards, thickness 2.4 mil. This is model T501006. Comes with a little tape dispenser. So whether you're taping up a little box or a big box, you know, whatever you got to tape up, this should have you covered. We're gonna see what we have here. I'm always needing packing tape. All right. What it looks like in here. Stare into one of these and see how well they actually stick to cardboard. Some tape doesn't stick all that great. And it says, it looks like it comes with a black marker. That would be nice. If you was moving or something like that and had to label your stuff. Oh, it comes with a little box cutter too. What is that? Auto Lock 9mm blade cutter and a overline permanent marker. Kind of cool. The knife's not part of it. Oh, it comes with 2 markers. Yeah, this would definitely be good if you was moving or something. You needed to write on your boxes. That's cool. Definitely handy little tools to have. Here's our tape dispenser. One of them's already loaded up, ready to go. How convenient is that? We'll just pull that up, put it up here in between the little pieces here, just like a regular tape dispenser. And we're going to pull it back here. See how this works. Let's try it. Run a piece of tape across here. Maybe I'm loading this thing wrong. Oh, it don't have no noise. I guess I got it right. You know, some tape goes, squealing across there. That is quiet. Look at that. All taped up. We know that goes in there like that. But the way that flips back, you would think the tape would go up in there. Maybe that's just a guard, isn't it? That's just a guard to keep you from hitting your fingers on it, because it is sharp. You just pull that back when you get ready to cut it, just pull that back and pop that tape. Let's move this out of the way and try the bigger box. Let's try this again. Put this big box up here, or bigger box. I know it's not real big, but it's bigger than that last one. We're gonna call it big. Got a little place for your thumb right there. You can get this started. It is quiet though. Then we'll pull that little handle down like that and cut it just like that. Look at that, y'all. That is nice, and it is quiet. You don't make that squealing noise when you're running the tape across there. I didn't tape it down good, that's my bad. There we go. A little bit getting used to how to hold it. That's easy dispenser really, because this right here holds that tape in. You can slide it out like that. Put another roll in there and pop that back down. It won't come out. It's got the little lips right here. Keeps that tape from coming out. That is nice, y'all. We'll put this back up here so I don't get it stuck. And fold it back like that. Be ready for next time. Hey, if you want to get one of these dispensers like this and the tape, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order your own. And if you got any value out of this video, consider hitting that thumbs up button and really put some consideration into subscribing to the channel if you'd like. It's definitely a thumbs up. I like this. This is going to come in handy because I actually use a lot of this for real. And this will be nice. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you might make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.